My name is Yiğit. I'm here for the teach La Casa De Papel soundtrack. We're gonna play La Casa De Papel soundtrack, but it's easy version. I composed again. I looked and watched video on YouTube. It's difficult version there are. I composed again to play easily. Teach how can it's play La Casa De Papel soundtrack and part we're gonna start to teach. Yes, I'm playing 3 notes. It's B minor 3 notes. Sharp C, B, again, we start again. This part is sometimes is complicated, but you can work slowly. Like this. We play second time and start the song lyrics. This is the lyric part. B minor. This is F sharp. E major. G major. B minor. F sharp. E major. G major, and continue the other part. I use octave notes. It's B, low B, high B. The octave. I'm gonna show you slowly. With low notes. And again this part. Octave D. And E major. E major. B minor. G major, E major, G major, B minor. At the end, E major at the start. I'm gonna show you at the end. It's triple. It's in 2 rhythms. Like finish. I'm gonna show you again this measure. A major. It's triple note and at the start. If you want to play again and finish after that, or you can play 1 time and finish it. It's simple version to play this. I composed again to use main theme. Because of it's so complicated, the original part. I careful about this to be easy. It's include the main theme. This is main theme and I use this. It's so easy, you can play this. I play slowly and you can follow on the video, and chord diagram and note and tab, it's under the video. If you want to play on classical guitar or electro guitar. If you use electro guitar, you should use a clean tone. Because of this distortion, it's so hard, this for song. If you listen this song, it's clean tone with played electro guitar. I use Ibanez and Marshall brands to clean tones. If you watch this video, thank you so much. See you in another video. Take care. Bye.